Hi guys, so today we are on to neck pain stretches, and I'm going to show you some things you can do. I'm sure sitting at the computers, we're all rolling forward, maybe reading in bed, looking at our phones. We're in this position a lot. This tightens the neck muscles here. It puts strain on your trapezius muscles. It'll give you almost like tinglies across your back. Some people experience pain in the mid-back or numbness. And what we're going to try to do is give you some neck stretches to do. Neck discomfort here will also give you TMJ, and the TMJ will also affect the neck. So if you're stressed out and at night you're kind of chomping down, it's going to create pain here, create pain here. It's going to affect your brain. It's going to start making you feel not so good and a little down and depressed amongst all the rest of the stressors that are happening at this time. So we're going to do a couple of stretches, not the stresses, we have enough of that. We're going to do those stretches, and I'm going to show you how they go. So the first stretch, let's start this way, we're going to do is to literally just take your head, take your hands, and you're going to just gently pull forward just to give a nice little stretch. And then I'm going to turn my neck very gently left and right. Very gently. That actually feels really good. I feel it also across the back of my shoulders. Okay, and you're going to take your head, you're going to take this arm here, and you're just going to let it drop, or you can give yourself a little extra stretch by putting it across your body and pulling your neck off to the side here. And then once again, you can take your head a little bit forward and gently a little bit back. This is very gentle. You can let it go. Move your neck around and go on back to it if it feels really good. If you're in severe pain, and we're going to switch arms, by the way, so I'm taking my arm again, I'm going to put it behind my back to give me a little extra stretch to open up this area. I'm going to bring my neck over, forward, and we're going to bring it back. And these stretches you can hold for about, anywhere that's comfortable, 5 to 10 seconds each side. This is all meant to be gentle. You're going to be gentle to yourself. We don't want you causing any extra problems. Another thing you can do is you can push in. So I'm taking my hand is stopping my head. I'm pushing into the side of my head this way, into my hand, contracting these muscles, and then I'm going to relax and pull. Going to do the same thing on this side. Push in and then relax and pull. Can do the same thing here. I'm going to kind of bring my head forward, but I'm going to stop it with my hand, and then I'm going to relax, and you can just move yourself around. You can roll the shoulders because the shoulders are all part of this area here. You can take your hands behind your back like this. Take your hands together, and you're going to lift your arms, trying to bring the head back as well, and once again move in range of motion here. Raise those arms up. A lot of people are not really moving. Arms over the head here, and open everything up. If you can, a very good thing to do is to also take a pillow lengthwise and put it along the back of your spine and lay over it so that your body, and then open up your chest so that your body actually opens and your head falls back. Now, of course, the other thing that I like people to do is I like them to take a neck roll, and we do have them. You can order them from our office if you would like one. We have neck pillows that you put behind the neck. You lay flat on your back, and you allow your head to drop over the neck pillow. The neck pillow is supportive, but it's also recreating an arch in your neck, which when we are at the computer, we start to do this forward head carriage, you lose the curve in your neck. It puts pressure on the discs. It decreases the blood flow to your head. It starts to give you all kinds of symptoms, like I said, like the tingling, the pain, the achiness, headaches, or just general emotional feeling of unwell. So one last stretch you can try for way up at the top here, the upper cervicals, is to relax the shoulders here or bring the shoulders back. You're going to translate the head back like this. I use my finger just as a guide, and I translate my head back, and then I'm going to bring my head down and side to side. And back up, and you can do that again because you seem to lose it sometimes, and side to side. And that's one of the best ways to get way up at the upper cervical. If you have any questions, if you have any weird pains, or like your hair hurts or weird sensations in your head, please contact me and we could discuss maybe what is causing that. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. So like I said, we have a few neck contraptions that we like and a few neck rolls. If you'd like to order them, just call the office. All right, thanks.